Welcome back. In this chapter we are going to look at the Kotlin fundamentals part 3, so to speak. So we are going to start with array lists, then we're going to look at lambda expressions, then we're going to see how the visibility modifiers work, because we have used them already quite a bit, but we haven't really looked into them, so we haven't really touched them too much, and that's what we will look at in this chapter. Then we are also going to see how to use nested and inner classes, because we've seen how classes work and how object-oriented programming works, but there is a thing called nested and inner class, and we're going to see how to use that. Then we're going to see how to use the safe and unsafe cast operator, and then finally we're going to look into exception handling. So what should happen if we get an error, or what can we do in order to catch the error and not make our application suffer by that error. All right, so it often really depends on what kind of error we have, but many errors we can just catch them, we can just do something else, or we can just not do anything, and it will at least not crash the application, even though the application might not exactly do what we wanted it to do. But at least it's not going to be suffering in terms of crashing. And when that happens and a user has your application and it crashes, he might accept it once, but he's not going to accept it multiple times. So that's why it's super important to look into that topic as well. Okay, so let's get started with this chapter in the next video. So see you there.